All right, just a little camper update. We had to throw a big tarp on the top of this thing because there's so many leaks on the inside. That's our temporary solution while we're trying to seal things up. You know, it is what it is. Ain't what it ain't. We got a lot of leaks to stop on the inside, and in the meantime, that's gonna hold it up. Holy cow, it is gorgeous out here. Man, what a good day to be working on the camper. Okay, so broke the wheels off for the first time ever. I had to spray some old liquid wrench in there. Man, look how gross this is. Metric crap ton of rust. The bugs been having a field day. Hornets' nest, dirt daubers, and wasps, and all that good stuff. Look at that. Ugh. That all needs to get cleaned up. Not gonna lie, this thing is a project, and maybe in over my head, maybe a lot, but I don't know, I owe it to myself to try. I'm not a pro, but I feel like YouTube, I mean, I can figure this stuff out, right? It's gonna be a battle, but hey, let's do it. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Dang. So overwhelming. Tonight I've just been focusing on pulling what was there down so then we can go back and replace these beams that are like completely not even connected. All right, Kelly, you ready to work on the camper today? Kelly, that's rude.
You're not recording.
Yes, I am. Well, are you ready to work on the camper today?
Sure.
What do you mean, sure?
It's kind of chilly.
Well, it won't be chilly when we start working on it. I gotta hold the camera. We finally get a pretty day to work on the camper. I want to remove all this trash out and keep kind of tearing out maybe those walls and such, get down to the bare metal. So we got it over here. Once we get all this down, we can finally get to where we can redo the cabling and all that stuff, and then maybe put insulation and put new panels back over top of that after we replace some of these pieces that are all janked up. Anyways, project for the day. Spend a little bit of time on it, see what we can do. I still think we could maybe make this kind of cool one day. What you got, Kelly?
You want a cup? Dixie cup?
Dixie cup? No. Get that out of here. Truck filling up with some stuff. All right, more ripping to do.
Ow! It hit my hand.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Ew.
Look at the mold on the back of it.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was filming. Leaking, the whole, like you can see where it's leaking through because that stupid pipe wasn't connected to anything. Like this whole thing is just completely.
It's all good.
Like, look at all that water damage.
It's all good, Kelly.
Well, yeah, because we're getting rid of it, but someone lived in this before we did and had all this nastiness under there.
Pulling that whole thing out? Dang, you're a beast. Shoot, Kelly. Be careful. Dang, girl. Holy, yo, ninja. Whoa. Oh my God.
Open it after activities.
So originally we were gonna keep this back corner stuff, and then we were gonna keep this whole structure here, but Kelly has decided she wants it to be gone. So then I'm gonna work on tearing this whole thing out as well. Put it in the old Toyota, hauling it to the dump. So that's next 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah. Doorway out the doorway. Yeah. Okay. Well, we're really getting down to it. Really, it's opening it up a lot. It's making me like feel better to have it like wide open, even though I know we're gonna have to just redo all that. It's nicer to start blank and know that we've gotten the rotten spots and the holes and all that. I'm excited when you can let me take off the stupid mask.
And all the mold's gone.
All right. Help me. Okay, so this used to be, I guess, a heater, and we can't figure out how to get it separated. So I'm going to take the grinder, see if we can chop it off from the outside. I don't know if it's a good idea, but it seems like it'll work. Still don't know if it's going to work best, but my glasses are getting fogged up by the mask. It's like breathing up into my glasses and they're fogging up. One second. There we go. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. So this piece, if I could get this to go through that, it wouldn't be a problem. This is stupid, but it's the way I thought about doing it. And I'm gonna try it, dang it. It's almost collapsed enough to get through there. Told you it was a weird idea. It may have been long, may have been not the right tools, but I did it. I made it happen. Ah, jeez. Very nice. All right, so there it was, another day in the books. It's nighttime now, we're gonna stop. But let me show you the progress we made today. I'm actually kind of, we kind of changed directions a little bit. We were originally thinking of leaving some of the major like structures in here, trying to reuse them, but then Kelly got frustrated and just said, here, check it out. We took that whole freaking wall thing that was over there out, and that whole structure that was here out that you saw earlier. So that did house, this used to be a kitchenette right here, and then there was a big heater right there which I tried to grind apart, and so now, yeah, so it's like, whew, I'm almost back to a blank canvas. Anyways, so yeah, here, Kelly, give me the tour.
This will be the kitchen area. Right here will be where the wall is. Tiny door right here.
Yep.
It'll be like all open. This will be a walk-in this shower area.
Yeah.
This will be a sink in front of this little tiny window.
Little sink in front of the tiny window.
And then toilet.
Toilet.
And then you can walk out of the bathroom and go to the kitchen over here, or choose to sit. And then over here will be kind of how it is already. One of those like
a fold-out bed.
Like kind of like a futon.
Yeah.
So it looks a little more natural and not like built in.
Okay.
With
yeah.
Some shelving cabinets up there.
Thanks for watching our little camper vlog. Once again, we have no idea what we're doing. We have very basic carpentry and construction skills.
So if you know if we're messing up really bad.
Yeah, be easy on us in the comments. Like we don't know what we're doing. So anyways, thanks for watching again. Deuces. Appreciate it. Oh geez, now we gotta take all this stuff. I forgot we had to unload that truck. Oh god, that's a lot.
Lock it up.
Here we go. Kelly challenged me to a water bottle chug off. You ready? Sure. Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit. I win.